Welcome to today's digital skills, where we will be exploring how to create call to action videos using Spark Video, a free digital media creation tool that can be accessed online through a web browser or through the downloadable iOS app. Your challenge is to create a 30-second call to action video based on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You can choose to use any piece of video software you are comfortable with, for example, iMovie, Windows Movie Maker, Spark Video, or any device, laptop, computer, tablet, or phone. A call to action video is a video that is an invitation for a viewer to take some desired action. It is designed to prompt an immediate actionable response or encourage an immediate reflective response. Before you begin to write your call to action, determine the goals you're trying to achieve. What is the message you are trying to send? What is your desired response from viewers? What is your call to action? In creating your call to action video, we will be following a 6-step process. Step 1 is to choose the SDGs you would like to focus on. If the UN SDGs are new to you, we have included a couple of links in the video description. Step 2 is to create a storyboard. A storyboard will help you to determine the goal you are trying to achieve. What message are you sending to the audience? What images, sounds, or music will you use to evoke emotions? What words will you use? What is your desired response from viewers? What is your call to action? Step 3 is to gather all of your media assets. Once you have determined what your message and call to action will be, gather your media assets, such as photos, video, and text, into a folder for easy uploading. Step 4, create your 30-second video. There are many tools available to create your 30-second video. We'll be looking at Spark Video today. However, you may choose to use any video editing software you are familiar with on your preferred device. Once you have finished downloading your video from Adobe Spark, you can move on to step 5, which is share your call to action video. We hope you will share your video with us on our Flipgrid board, on our Facebook page, or on Twitter.